Dolly.
Hi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to continue my series on using Microsoft PowerPoint with NVDA. And in this particular video, this is actually the second video in the series. And I'm going to demonstrate to you how to go through the different sections of the PowerPoint application interface, as well as how to navigate through the ribbon and tabs and the accessing the different features and functions within the different tabs, which is essential in using the PowerPoint application. Also, I'm going to demonstrate how to add slides and how to save your presentation. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to open a blank presentation. I can do that by pressing the Windows key and searching for PowerPoint on the start menu.
Start with
And I'm
Power.
going to press enter.
PowerPoint. New grouping. Featured list. Blank presentation.
So it says there's a list here, and the focus is on the blank presentation. This is the start screen. I actually demonstrated how to navigate through the start screen on my previous video in this series. So to open the blank presentation, I just need to press the enter key since the focus is on the blank presentation. Or you can also make use of the escape key. So either key will bring you to the blank presentation.
Slide 1. Slide view.
So here is the blank presentation, and we are on the slide view section of the application interface. Now to go through the other areas, we can make use of the F6 key. F6.
Pane. Status bar. Status bar. Notes button. Notes.
Okay, pressing F6 key once, we are now on the status bar, and on the status bar we have different um, settings here that we can modify, and several other features that we can also tweak. No, so pressing another F6 will bring us to the ribbon.
Pane. Ribbon tabs. Tab control. Home tab selected. Alt
So
8.
we will focus on the ribbon later, and another F6.
Thumbnails. Slide 1. 1 of 1.
So we are now on the thumbnail section of the app. This is basically very useful for sighted people, and we can also use this. No? There are several uh, features and functions that we can uh, use or we can do on the thumbnail. And basically, a thumbnail is just a preview of your slides. So we can do a lot of things here, like we can select, we can rearrange the order of the slides, we can duplicate, and also we can delete, and many other things. Next is if we press another F6,
Slide 1. Slide view.
we are back on the slide view section of our application. So this time we will navigate through the ribbon. And if you are familiar with Microsoft Word and Excel, then you would know that accessing the ribbon can be done easily by pressing the shortcut key, which is the Alt key. So I'm going to press Alt.
Ribbon tabs. Tab control. Home tab selected. Alt 8.
Okay, the first tab header here is the Home tab. And if I would go to the other tabs, I just need to press the arrow right or right arrow key.
Insert tab selected. Alt N.
And if you listen carefully to NVDA, it did not just report or the name of the tab, but also give us the shortcut key, in accessing. So say for example for home it's Alt plus H. Here in insert it's Alt plus N. Now let's go to the next tab header, which is the design tab.
Design tab selected. Alt G.
It's Alt G.
Transitions tab selected Alt K.
Transition is Alt K.
Animations tab selected Alt A.
Animation is Alt A.
Slideshow tab selected Alt
Slideshow
S.
is Alt S.
Review tab selected Alt R.
Review Alt R.
View tab selected Alt W.
View is Alt W.
Tell me what you want to do. Edit Alt Q blank.
And this is the tell me area, or yeah, tell me section on our ribbon. Now tell me basically is a function wherein if you want to know how to do a particular function or feature on PowerPoint, then you just need to search or type it here, and it will give you a list of procedures on how to do it. So say in case you forget how to do a particular thing on PowerPoint, you just need to go to the tell me, or simply press Alt Q, the shortcut key. So okay, now let us go to the different group tasks now within each tab, or within each tab header. So
Slide
say
1.
uh, we want to check out the different groupings or group sections within the Home tab. So we need to go to the Home tab by pressing Alt and then H, or you can also do the combination Alt plus H right away.
Ribbon tab control. Home tab selected Alt H.
Okay, we are now on the Home tab, and to go through the different groupings. When I say groupings here, I simply mean there are that the tasks or the features are actually grouped according to the categories. No? So the first, to go through the groups, the groupings, I can simply make use of the control and the right arrow key, and to go back is control left. I'm going to press control right now.
Clipboard grouping. Paste split button. Collapsed paste.
Okay, the first group is the clipboard grouping. So here we can make use of the different features or different functions, such as uh, copying, cutting, and pasting. So the focus is on pasting. If we want to go to the items within, we can simply press the tab key. I'm going to press the tab key now.
Cut button unavailable. Cut.
Okay, it's cut, but it's not available because we haven't selected a text or anything on our on this presentation. So aside from cut,
Copy split
we
button
also have
unavailable.
copy, which is not available this time. Okay, understandably, because we haven't done anything yet, we haven't selected anything on this presentation. Let's go to the next grouping. After the clipboard, we're now on
Format painter toggle button unavailable.
the
Not
format painter. Again, if you want to go to the different items within this group, we can simply press a tab. And for now, let's go to the next grouping.
office clipboard button. Clipboard Alt H. F.
Wait, we are back there. I pressed the wrong key. I need to
Slides grouping.
press.
New slide.
Okay, the next group is the slides grouping. So here we can find, I think the layout is within this layout, or the slide layout. So it's here. I can press the tab key to check.
Layout collapsed Alt
Okay, so
H.
we have
L.
layout, the different slide layouts. And what
Reset
else?
button Alt H.
And we can also do reset. Now let's go jump to the next grouping by pressing Control right. Unfortunately, NVDA is not reporting what this group is, but I think this is the font grouping. No? So to check what's inside this group, I just need to press the Tab key. Wait,
Font grouping.
yeah,
Increase
font
font size button
grouping.
unavailable. Increase font.
So it says increase font size, and if there's increase, then there's also decrease,
Decrease font size button.
and many other font settings within. Now I'm going to jump to the next grouping, which is
Paragraph grouping. Bullets
the
split button unavailable.
paragraph grouping. So the focus is on the bullets. So another items within can be navigated by pressing the tab key. another control right.
Draw shapes button, more Alt H, SA.
Draw shapes, another control right.
Editing grouping, find, button find,
Editing grouping, so you can have find and replace, and many other functions within this group. Another control plus right to go to the next group.
file tab button, Alt F.
Okay, we are on the file tab. Another control right.
Quick access toolbar, save.
We are on the quick access toolbar. Another control right.
Ribbon tab control, home tab
And
selected, Alt
we are
H.
back on the start of the home tab. Now I'm going to go to the insert tab by pressing one right arrow.
Insert tab selected, Alt N.
And I'm going to check what are the groups within this tab. So I'm going to press Control right again.
Slides grouping, new slide split button, collapse new slide,
Okay, so
CTRL plus M.
here is the slides grouping, another group.
Tables grouping, table collapse, Alt N,
Tables
T.
grouping, so we can insert tables because this is the insert tab. So this is where we go to if we want to insert table on our presentation.
Images grouping, pictures, button pictures,
Okay,
Alt
if
N.
you want to insert images or pictures, you can simply go to this uh, area of the insert tab. Another control right.
Illustrations grouping, shapes collapsed, Alt N.
Okay, inserting shapes and other illustrations. Next.
Add-ins grouping, store button, browse office store.
Okay, if you have add-ins like yeah, if you have added uh yeah, another added add-in on this PowerPoint, then you can simply browse it in this area.
Links grouping, hyperlink button unavailable,
Okay,
add
a
a
hyperlink, adding or inserting a hyperlink, although there are shortcuts, but in case you forget these shortcuts, and you can simply go to this area of the insert tab.
comments grouping, comment button,
Okay,
insert comment,
inserting
Alt.
comments is also a feature. Another, press Control right arrow.
Text grouping, text box toggle button, not press, draw it.
Inserting or drawing text boxes.
Symbols grouping,
Another,
equation split button, collapsed, insert
okay,
equation.
symbols such as equations can be inserted on our presentation. Another control right.
Media grouping, video collapsed, Alt N, V.
Media such as videos and even audios, no, can be inserted on our PowerPoint presentation. And you can access that feature in the insert tab. And another control right.
File tab button, Alt F.
Again, we have the file tab,
Quick access toolbar tool.
the quick access toolbar, and
Ribbon tabs, tab
we're
control,
back
insert tab
on
selected, Alt N.
the insert tab, the start of the insert tab. Now, that's how to go to the different groupings or group tasks or group functions on each of the tabs of the ribbon. Because if you do that, you will be saving time uh, just by pressing the tab key several times now, because that's a typical thing that we do. If we haven't memorized the shortcut key, we go to a particular tab and we simply press the tab key several times uh, before we are able to go uh, to access a specific feature or function. So now I'm going back to the slide view section. Going to press the escape key to exit from the ribbon.
Slide 1, slide view.
Okay, so we are on slide 1. And by the way, this is the title slide. Now to navigate through, before that, let me introduce to you a very important section of a or part of a slide, and that is the placeholder. So placeholder is where we can input text. We can also insert uh, medias or photos on a particular placeholder. But for this first slide, this is the title slide. We have two types of placeholders here. We have the title placeholder and the subtitle placeholder. So basically, this is the title slide. This is where we type the title of our presentation. And on our subtitle, we may choose to uh, write our name or the institution that we represent. Okay, so I'm going to go through the different or the two placeholders, and that can be done easily by just pressing the tab key. I'm going to press tab.
Center title placeholder shape.
Okay, NVDA said this is the center title placeholder. So basically, the title slide has two placeholders which are both centered, the title and the subtitle placeholders. These are two placeholders uh, that are aligned in the center of the slide. And to go to the next, I press another tab key.
Subtitle placeholder shape.
So this is the subtitle. And pressing another tab will bring me back to the title placeholder.
Center title placeholder shape.
So if I type text here, the text will be centered by default, although you can also uh, make some changes, but this is actually centered by default. So to type, I need to press the enter key to get into the edit field of this placeholder. Press enter.
Edit multi-line blank.
So NVDA said edit, and this is multi-line because you can have several lines here. And by the way, the font size of the text that you will be typing on your title placeholder will be much larger than that of the subtitle. Okay, so I'm going to type here uh, my presentation. I need to press
Speak type
to
characters
turn
on.
on the speech characters. Okay, so let me check on that.
My presentation.
Okay, just press the up arrow key to read again what I have already typed here on this placeholder. And since we are editing or we are typing, we can simply make use of the NVDA editing command. So we can uh, let NVDA read by word by pressing Control left or Control right. Or if you want to read by character, we can use the left and right keys. Now I'm going to go to the subtitle placeholder. I need to move out from this edit field by pressing the escape key
Center title placeholder shape. My presentation.
and pressing tab. I will be
Subtitle
on
placeholder shape.
the subtitle and I'm going to press enter
Edit
for
multi-line
me to
blank.
be able to type. I'm going to type uh, Cavision,
K-A-V-I-O-N. Kavish P-H.
PH for my subtitle. And at this point, I'm going to add a few slides, and I wish to add, uh, yeah, I wish to add four more slides to have 5 slides. Going to press a shortcut key in adding slides, which is Control M or Control plus M.
Slide 2. Slide view.
So I've created another slide, which is the slide 2, pressing Control plus M again.
Slide 3. Slide view.
Okay, slide 3.
Slide 4. Slide view.
Okay, press Control M again, and I've created slide 4. And lastly, pressing Control M once more.
Slide 5. Slide view.
Okay, I've already made 5 slides. Now to go back to the previous slides, I can press the shortcut key is uh, Control Up. No, no, not Control Up, Page Up. Okay, I'm going to press the Page Up key.
Slide 4. Slide view.
So I'm back on slide 4.
Slide 3. Slide view.
Pressing another page up. I'm on slide 3 and
Slide
another
2.
page
Slide
up,
view.
slide 2. And if I press page down, I'm advancing on the next slide. Okay. So here, slide 2 and the other slides, succeeding slides, these slides different have a different slide layout from the first slide. The first slide, as I said earlier, is the title slide. But if you create another slide after the title slide, you will be creating the the title and content slide. Although you can change this slide layout, but for now we will just focus on this thing. Uh, the appearance of this title and content slide or title and object slide is basically this is where you write or type your contents, no? So you still have the title placeholder. So we have two placeholders still. You have the title and the object placeholder, and both placeholders are left aligned. So that means if you type here, that the text will be aligned to the left. Uh, and of course, still the title placeholder has as larger font size than the object placeholder, and the object placeholder has, or by default, is formatted in bullets. So I'm going to press the tab key to go to the placeholders, which are
Title placeholder shape.
the title placeholder and
Object placeholder shape.
the object placeholder. So I'm going to press another tab and I'll be back to
Title placeholder
the
shape.
title placeholder. Here I'm going to press enter for me to be able to type.
Edit multi-line blank.
And I'm going to type here what I have learned.
Double A T. What I H A V E L E A R E D.
Okay, I'm going to press the escape key to move out from this placeholder.
Title placeholder shape what I have learned.
And I'm going to press another tab key to go to the object placeholder.
Object placeholder shape.
Going to press enter for me
Edit
to
multi-line bullet blank.
be able to start typing. So here I'm going to write what I have learned in the previous two videos on PowerPoint. So here our past lessons was first on starting
STARTING. Starting. POWERPOINT.
PowerPoint, and that's the first key point. And I press enter.
Bullet PowerPoint.
The next is navigating
NAVIGATING. Navigating space TAE.
the
The space START. Start space
start screen.
SCREEN.
Okay, and press enter.
Bullet screen.
Now, if I wish to write sub key points under navigating the start screen, I can simply press a tab key here. And okay, NVDA did not report. And this sub key point uh, for our sighted friends, they'll be able to see this clearly because this one is, or this is a sub key point or a subtopic because this is under, this is indented farther from the left of the left side of the slide, and the font is smaller than the main key points. So here I'm going to write few key points or sub key points, which are uh, okay, on the start screen. We can accessing the templates.
ACCESSING. ACTAE. The. Unknown on the space. TEMPLATES.
Accessing the templates.
Bullet template.
And another subtopic here is to yeah, searching or
ACCESSING. Accessing space.
accessing uh yeah, accessing online templates
LINE on TEMPLATES.
and other things that we can do. So Depending on the number of your subtopics or sub key points, then you can do that here. Okay, and then what else? If I want to go back and write
bullet,
a main key point, I just need to press a Shift Tab, and another major key point is yeah, uh,
A,
accessing
C, C, E, S, S, I, N, G, X, T, A, E, the, R,
the
I, B, B, O,
ribbon.
N,
Another
bullet,
is
ribbon, A, D, D, I, N, G, adding, S,
adding
L, I, D,
slides.
E, S,
Okay, I think this is already, I have already written several lines on this slide. Now, at this point, I would opt to save this presentation. So the shortcut key, which is the same throughout the Microsoft Office application, is the shortcut key Control plus S. I'm going to uh, press Control S.
save as dialog, file name, combo box collapsed, edit Alt plus N selected my presentation,
So here I am on the Save As dialog box. But the other versions of or the other versions of Office, there's still a Save As tab before reaching this part. So I can simply press Shift Tab if I wish to select a different folder to save. By default, this presentation is saved on my Documents folder. So here I can choose to save it on the desktop. So I'll press Shift Tab,
items view list, names,
Items View.
active present or not selected 1 of 6,
Okay, I'll press another Shift Tab.
tree view, level 2
I'm
Acer,
now on
C,
the tree
collapsed
view.
1 of 1,
So I'm going to select or look for desktop. I'll press the letter D.
D, level 0 desktop, 1 drop,
It says desktop. I'll press enter here and then tab.
items view list, gallery not selected, row 1, column 1, 1 of 21,
Okay, okay. So I'm going to save it here. I need to go
file
to
name,
the file name part.
save, file name, combo box collapsed, edit Alt plus N selected my presentation,
Okay, PowerPoint suggested that my file name be my presentation, and um, I will use that file name. I'll press another tab. I will be on
save as
the
type, combo box PowerPoint
okay
presentation collapsed
save
Alt plus
as
T,
type area where I can choose what file type or file format will I save this presentation. There are several options here. Even you can even save this as a video and many other things, or as also as a PDF. I'll press another tab and I'll look for the uh, save button.
save fields tree view, metadata row grouping, added toolbar, hide folder tools, toolbar, tools, save button, Alt plus N,
Okay, I just pressed tab several times until I reach the save button. I press enter here.
context menu,
Wait, there's context menu.
save cancel, save button, Alt, my presentation, power,
Okay, this is my presentation. So this is already saved in the desktop. And yeah, at this point, I'll be, I wish to hear from you. If you have any questions to ask, you can drop in your questions at the comment section. So, uh, yeah, I hope you learned something from this video. I'll see you on the next. Thank you and God bless us.
dull ops, start, stop recording.